points of scale in an atlas. A close-up selfie shows a large amount of detail covering a small area. A full-length selfie shows a small amount of detail covering a large area. A map shows a reduced image of the Earth from above. It can also show an image of a part of the Earth. A map is much smaller compared to the actual area on the Earth that it represents. We use a scale to represent this relationship. For example, that the actual part of the Earth is 500,000 times larger than the map. Maps can have a small scale or a large scale. A small scale map gives a small amount of detail covering a larger area, such as the African continent. A small scale map is similar to a full-length selfie. Examples of small scale maps are maps of the world, maps of the continents, maps of large countries such as the USA or Russia. The larger the area covered by a map, the smaller the map scale. A large-scale map gives a large amount of detail covering a smaller area, such as the city Johannesburg. A large-scale map is similar to a close-up selfie. Examples of other large-scale maps are maps of small countries such as Singapore, maps of towns, and maps of villages. A local map, such as the map of a city, is a large-scale map. If we zoom in close to the Earth, we can see a greater amount of detail on this map. We can now see the Soccer City Stadium in Johannesburg. If we zoom in closer still, we can actually see people walking on the turf. This is a large amount of detail and is an extremely large-scale map. If we zoom out of this location very high, we get a small-scale map. A world map is a small-scale map. A regional map can show a part of a continent, such as Southern Africa, or a smaller region, such as a part of the KwaZulu-Natal province. Therefore, a regional map can be small-scale or large-scale, depending on the amount of detail required.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.